Welcome to Lambton College. Today we're going to be doing Operating Engineering Studies 201, Lab number 4, Latent Heat of Vaporization. The equipment consists of a steam generator, and we have a hot plate. To save time, I have filled the steam generator halfway, and I'm going to turn the hot plate on high. And as we step into our procedure, you have a photograph that it says assemble the equipment. We have it's called an outer container, an inner container. When we assemble it, this ring is going to go on the inner container like that. Then we have a condensate trap, which is a place for our steam to condense. We have a stirrer and a lid, and we're going to need a thermometer. It's 0 to 110 degrees C. The first step in our procedure is to weigh the inner container. So place it in the middle of the beam balance. And it weighs 63.1 grams, which you will need to record. Then I'm going to weigh the condensate trap. Our condensate trap weighs 175 grams. And now we're going to weigh the stirrer. And our stirrer weighs 30.6 grams. The next step in the procedure is to fill the inner container 2/3 full with ice water, which I've just done. And now we need to weigh it. So the mass of the inner container and the cold water is 247.7 grams. And so now we can start to assemble our apparatus. I'm going to take the lid and the condensate trap. Together, we need a stirrer. Goes underneath. Put the ring around the inner container. Drop it inside. Very important that this equipment was dry when you weighed it. And if there are no leaks, get too much condensate, which the components in here. Thermometer inside. Now I'm going to get oven mitts so I don't get burned. So we need to record the initial temperature of our water in the inner container. And it's 12 degrees C. So we have steam blowing from our steam generator. See that it is. I'm going to put the hose into the condenser, and I'm going to monitor the temperature. And I'm going to stir. And we're going to wait for the temperature of in the inner container, the water temperature, we're going to wait for the temperature of the water in the inner container to rise 20 degrees. So we started at 12, and when it gets to 32, approximately, which is now, I'm going to remove the hose from the calorimeter, shut the steam on, I'm going to shut the